Hello everyone, this is Dr. G. Anita Hepsiba, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In the previous video, we had a very brief introduction about the different types of enzymes which are being used uh, in different areas. Now in this particular video, we will be discussing about the classification of enzymes. Actually, enzymes are classified based on two different categories, one based on their source and the second one based on their way in which they react. Uh, First one is based on source. The major two important categories are animal source and plant source. Here we also have a microbial source. Bacterial and fungi are the primarily commercial sources which are responsible for this microbial source, and plant-based sources are also called as malt enzymes. These enzymes are used for specific niche applications. Animal derived enzymes, they are obtained from the gut of animals and they are limited to use due to higher cost and supply constraints. The second type of classification is according to their function, and now here we are going to specify according to which are relevant to textiles. So we'll be going through one by one. The first type of enzyme is hydrolases. So these enzymes, according to their name, they act on what else? The substrate by the addition of water. That is, these enzymes break down chemical bonds by adding water. So key examples in textiles include amylase. These amylase are used for hydrolysing starch, and cellulase. They hydrolyze cellulose. Protease for proteins, ligases for fat, and pectinases for pectin. So these are all examples for hydrolases. And the next one is oxidoreductases. So these enzymes, they are very much fondly used in oxidation and reduction reactions. Usually we use it for bleaching and effluent treatment. Examples include lyases, peroxidases, and catalyzes. So each enzyme have a different target and different substrate, and they are very much high precisive, allowing for highly controlled and efficient textile processing. Now, coming for amylase. This amylase, the source is a microbial source, and it is derived from a bacteria or fungi. And this function of this amylase is it hydrolyze starches based sizing agents and which are applied to war plants. This breaks down these amylase break down the insoluble starch into smaller soluble sugars and are easily washed away, because the smaller soluble sugars are water soluble and you can remove them very easily. What are the benefits? Enable desizing at mild temperature, significantly reducing energy and time also. Preserves the inherent strength and integrity of the fabric. When you use acid for desizing, it may reduce the strength of the fabric. It's not a problem with this amylase. It contributes to substantial water and energy saving, which is a very much demand in the textile industry. So compared to traditional desizing methods, this amylase is very much useful. Second one is cellulase. The cellulase is used in biopolishing and denim finishing. Here I have given a picture for you. This is actually a closer look of a denim finish which is given by cellulase. So these cellulase are again fungal cellulases, and they act on the cellulose fibers by removing the protruding microfibrils, and this process results in a smoother, less fussy process, giving a good finish for the fabric. So they are used in biopolishing by improving the lusher level of feel of cotton fabrics, etc. And then stone washing of denim. It achieves the desired worn out look, that is faded look to the fabric, that is to the denim fabric, without the need of any harsh chemicals. Usually we will use pumic stones along with chemicals, but here we use cellulase, which is an enzyme. So in that sense, there is no fabric damage. High environmental concerned cellulase. Next one is pectinases and lipases, which are used for scarring and cleaning. Pectinases are enzymes which are used for cotton fabric in the removal of oils, fats, waxes, etc. and they are very much useful for scouring. Instead of using alkali, we can use pectinase. And the lipases are again hydrolytic enzymes which are often used to remove the natural waxes and fats which are used on cotton surfaces. Both are used for scouring and cleaning, and after scouring and cleaning, the particular cotton fabric has got improved wettability, which is very much essential for dyeing and other finishing processes. Oxidoreductases, here we have the enzymatic bleaching and effluent treatment. This oxidoreductases enzymes are used in both bleaching and effluent treatment. So in this category we have the two different enzymes, lactases and peroxidases and catalysis. Lactases and peroxidases, they break down the natural pigments and help in improving the whiteness index of the fabric. Catalysis, they are very much used for removal of residual hydrogen peroxide if any present during bleaching, and prevent damage of fabrics. Thank you.